Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rafsan Tarek. My ID 241430055. Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Today my presentation is about self-marketing. Now I am describing about it. Now I am saying about myself. My first question is who I am. An student of Tourism and Hospitality Management Department, passionate about creating exceptional guest experiences. I have excellent client handling and communication skills, quick career objectives to contribute to a dynamic team by enhancing guest satisfaction and operational efficiency in a professional hospitality environment. My skills are core skills and soft skills. Core skills are communication skills, teamwork and collaborations, critical thinking. And my another soft skills are communication, teamwork and critical thinking. And my personal branding trends are visual branding evaluation, focus on networking, authentic storytelling. And my visions and goals of my career: enhance customer skills, gain practical knowledge, learning new languages, developing communication skills. Thank you for watching.